Hi guys, today I'm going to make Bun Kebab, the best subcontinental food, mostly famous as street food in Pakistan. People love this food as it's unique, healthy, and delicious in taste. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. First of all, I have taken half kg beef boiled and I'm gonna shredder the beef with the help of a fork, and I've shredded it and placed it in a bowl. You can see it. For the next procedure, I have taken 3 potatoes, boiled them, and I have mashed them all. And I'm gonna add it into my bowl as well. With that, I've taken chopped onions, about 1 onion, and 3 to 4 chopped green chilies. I'm going to add coriander leaves. You can add it according to your preference, just a little bit, and with that, coriander powder 1 teaspoon. With this, I'm going to add black pepper 1 teaspoon, and moving on to the next thing, we're going to add red chili powder 1 teaspoon as well, and as well as garam masala 1 teaspoon. Most of these spices are taken 1 teaspoon, so yeah, it's easy. You can add salt according to your taste. I've added it 1 teaspoon as well, and I'm gonna add red chili flakes 1 teaspoon. You can just decrease or increase the spices as I mentioned every time, because some people don't like much spices and some like more. So I'm going to mix it with the help of a fork, and once all this thing is mixed, I'm going to use my hand to give it a complete mix. Well, using your hand is much better, and if you don't like using your hand, so you can just wear gloves, but wearing gloves makes it a little bit difficult. While I'm mixing it, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you'll see a bell icon, hit it, and you will be updated on my latest videos. Now I'm gonna make the cutlets of it. My mixture is ready. I'm going to make the cutlets. You can just follow the procedure likewise I'm doing it. You can just follow it up. It's quite easy to make cutlets. Just take some mixture in your hand and roll it out. I have made the cutlets, and I have made 5 cutlets. Now it's time to take egg and breadcrumbs. I have taken some bread pieces and I have mashed it out. So what we're going to do is that take 1 cutlet, dip it into the egg, and then dip it into the breadcrumbs. Put it all around the breadcrumbs, and now it's ready to get fried. So I'm gonna do the same procedure with all of my cutlets. You can see it's covered in egg and breadcrumbs. Now I've placed all of them into a plate. Now it's time to get them fried. So I've taken a frying pan, placed some oil into it, and I'm gonna fry my cutlets one by one. I'm gonna place it all one by one, and with the help of a fork or a spoon, I'm going to turn them out. I always mention while working with oil or anything on the stove, just follow the precautions. Remember to be careful while working with oil, because oil gets so hot and can burn quite hard. So be careful. Now I've placed all of my cutlets on the frying pan, and after a few minutes I'm going to give them a turn, like change the side so that it gets fried from the each side. You can see it has turned out to be brown in color and looks so tasty and crispy from the side that has been cooked. Now I'm going to place them aside on a dish, and these will get ready to be eaten. So you can eat these cutlets with naan, chapati, or whatever you like, or tortilla wrap. But I'm gonna add it into the burger. I'm gonna eat it with burger. I've taken some onions, some green sauce, and these burgers and my cutlets. With that, I'm gonna take mayonnaise. I'm gonna apply some mayonnaise on the burger, and there's some layer on the burger. And I'm gonna place my cutlets onto it. You can also take whatever the vegetables you like. Some people like to add tomatoes, some people like to add lettuce, and with that I'm taking red chili. You can also add ketchup or whatever the sauces you like. I'm going to add red chili sauce, and I'm gonna spread it onto the burger. Well, you can just change the sauces or the vegetables as I mentioned before. Some people like lettuce. You can also add olives or jalapeno or whatever you like. I'm gonna place some green chili sauce onto it as well. And now it's time to add the cutlets. Now I'm gonna place my cutlets onto the burger and some onions onto it. And these are get ready to be eaten and placed in front of your guest. But before just ending it, I'm gonna add some chili sauce on the top as well, because if you like chili sauce, you're gonna love it. So you can just give this tasty and healthy food to your children, and your children are going to love it. They won't even know that what's inside. Some of the child do not like beef, so they won't know that it's a beef. So if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family. Till then, goodbye.